Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. So there are two ways that you can do in order to fix that. So the first thing is to open your WhatsApp application and then try on recording a voice message. So just tap on this microphone icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then record message and send it to your friend. So that's how it works, right? But if you can't record a voice message, maybe the problem is about the permission. So all you have to do is to go to your phone's settings. So you'll have to close your WhatsApp application first, okay? Okay, now scroll down and look for your apps option. So just tap on it and then click on manage apps. Now use the search bar at the top corner of your screen to search for WhatsApp. And then as you can see here, you just have to tap on the app permissions. Okay, now click on microphone. And then if your microphone access for this app is not set to allow using the microphone, all you have to do is to tap on the allow button. So in order for you to use the microphone, now the second thing that you can do is to check if your WhatsApp application is updated. So you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for WhatsApp application. So as you can see, our WhatsApp is updated. That's why we can use our microphone. So that's it. That's the thing that you can do in order to fix that. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.